Overnight strikes hit the Russian-occupied Melitopol and army base in a nearby village. The mayor of Melitopol, Ivan Fedorov, said on Instagram, "Another explosive night in Melitopol and Myrna village of Melitopol district. At 1 o'clock residents of all districts heard loud explosions. The first of them was so strong that windows in some houses shook and plaster fell. We are waiting for confirmation that the armed forces of Ukraine destroyed another base of the occupiers with jewel-like precision strikes. The enemy will never be at peace on our land." In an update post, Fedorov said one of the buildings destroyed in Myrna was where a pseudo-referendum was being conducted. He added, "In Melitopol, one of the largest enemy bases in the territory of the active Orlit plant was destroyed." Both Melitopol and Myrna are located in the occupied Zaporizhzhia region, which is part of the land corridor that connects the separatist regions of Luhansk and Donetsk to the Crimean Peninsula. The Kremlin first claimed to have captured Melitopol in February. It was the first major city that was taken by Russia since the outbreak of the war with Ukraine. Fedorov recently told Newsweek that HIMARS had aided Ukrainian forces in putting pressure on the Russian army. Following a reported strike that killed more than 100 Russian soldiers, Fedorov said that the rocket systems had tipped the balance of warfare in Ukraine's favor. He said, "Tonight is the most effective and shows that the existing enemy air defense units are no longer able to resist HIMARS. The weakening of the air defense system creates the necessary prerequisites for a successful counteroffensive in the direction of Melitopol." Fedorov later added, "Russian soldiers don't want to make war. They don't want to stay in Melitopol." Russian President Vladimir Putin has seemingly shifted the Russian war objective after forces were unable to capture Kyiv following the outbreak of the war. Now, Russian forces have refocused their efforts in the east of Ukraine with the intention of connecting the separatist regions to Crimea. When Russia annexed Crimea in 2014, the peninsula was physically cut off from the rest of the country. But Ukraine has made clear on numerous occasions that it will not accept any of its territories being transferred to Russia. Earlier this month, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said the war must end with the liberation of Crimea. Following several explosions in the region, Zelensky said, "Crimea is Ukrainian and we will never give it up."
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.